Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the word for a group of bears? Is it A, a rag, B, a sloth, C, a paddling, or D, a sedge? The answer is B, a sloth.
An interesting fact about bears is that they have an excellent sense of smell, which is 7 times better than a dog's. This incredible olfactory ability helps them locate food from miles away and even detect scents underwater. Bears use their keen sense of smell to navigate their surroundings and find sustenance in the wild.
Question 2. Which bird has been known to consume a third of its body weight in a single meal? Is it A, turtle, B, pelican, C, flamingo, or D, tiger? The answer is B, pelican.
Pelicans are not only known for their impressive wingspan and iconic pouch, but also for their incredible eating habits. These birds can consume up to a third of their body weight in just one meal. That's like a 150-pound person devouring a whopping 50 pounds of food in one sitting. Talk about a hearty appetite.
Question 3. What type of tree has an umbrella-shaped canopy and is native to Africa and Australasia? Is it A, willow, B, redbud, C, acer, or D, acacia? The answer is D, acacia.
The acacia tree, known for its umbrella-shaped canopy, has a fascinating symbiotic relationship with ants. The tree provides shelter and food in the form of nectar to the ants living in its hollow thorns. In return, the ants protect the acacia from herbivores and other threats, creating a unique mutualistic bond in nature.
Question 4. Linen is obtained from the fibers of what plant? Is it A, sunflower, B, flax, C, hemp, or D, wheat? The answer is B, flax.
Flax, the plant from which linen is obtained, has been cultivated for thousands of years. In ancient Egypt, linen was considered a symbol of purity and wealth. The mummies of pharaohs were often wrapped in linen because it was believed to be a symbol of light and purity for the afterlife.
Question 5. What fruit is Citrus grandis? Is it A, lemon, B, lime, C, grapefruit, or D, orange? The answer is C, grapefruit.
Grapefruits are known for their unique name, which comes from the way they grow in clusters on trees, resembling grapes. Interestingly, grapefruits can also have different colors such as pink and red due to the presence of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their vibrant hues.
Question 6. Which artificial material was first used commercially in 1938? Is it A, lycra, B, Kevlar, C, latex, or D, nylon? The answer is D, nylon.
Nylon was initially introduced to the public as a revolutionary material for women's stockings, quickly becoming a sensation. In fact, when nylon stockings were first sold in the United States in 1940, they were so popular that over 4 million pairs were sold on the very first day of their release.
Question 7. What is felinology the study of? Is it A, the lymph system, B, angels, C, oceans, or D, Cats. The answer is D. Cats.
Felinology, the study of cats, delves into the fascinating world of our feline friends. Did you know that cats have a specialized collarbone that allows them to always land on their feet when they fall? This unique adaptation is known as the cat riding reflex, showcasing their incredible agility and grace.
Question 8. What vaccine did Edward Jenner develop? Is it A. COVID-19, B. Rubella, C. Influenza, or D. Smallpox? The answer is D. Smallpox.
Edward Jenner's development of the smallpox vaccine was inspired by a common folk belief among milkmaids who seemed to be immune to smallpox after contracting cowpox. This led Jenner to conduct his groundbreaking experiment in 1796, laying the foundation for modern immunization practices and saving countless lives worldwide.
Question 9. What is dendrochronology the study of? Is it A. The records in tree rings, B. Mussels, C. Venereal diseases, or D. Minerals? The answer is A. The records in tree rings.
Dendrochronology, the study of tree rings, can reveal fascinating insights into past climates and environmental conditions. By analyzing the width and patterns of tree rings, scientists can determine factors like rainfall levels, temperature variations, and even natural disasters that occurred hundreds or thousands of years ago.
As we bid adieu, remember, in the grand quiz of life, may your knowledge bloom like a well-nurtured garden and your curiosity reach for the stars. Farewell. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Good night for now, until we cross paths again tomorrow. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.